My name is Zach Pavlicek here with Midway Auto and RV. Today we're going to take a walk through the Bullet Premier 25 RKPR. Super awesome camper. Start on the outside here first. One of the big features on this camper, got a complete outdoor kitchen. So right here you got mom and dad's medicine cabinet. Slide this out. Comes with a skillet. Everything's fully set up, ready to go for your outdoor living. That's awesome, because I don't know about you guys, but I love cooking when I'm camping, but I don't want to smell bacon and eggs all day inside my camper. So you cook outside, don't have to deal with the smell inside. Moving on to the inside of the camper. Super awesome open concept design in this camper. You get a ton of room because of the opposing slides. Opens everything up quite a bit for you. Moving in here, does come from the factory, obviously equipped with a TV. This particular model has a fireplace in it as well. That's super awesome. 3-burner gas stove back here. Super convenient, super nice. Obviously your standard 8 cubic foot refrigerator is what's in this one. Gonna have 2 reclining chairs in this particular model. We can also order that with a couch if you'd prefer. This one just has the recliners in it. Moving on to the front here. Super big bathroom for a camper. It's got tons of clearance, so for you taller guys, it's gonna be good for you guys. Unless you're over about 6'4", then you might have to scrape your head a little bit inside the camper. Moving on. Sliding barn door for some privacy, if mom and dad want some privacy. Does have a queen size bed up front. Tons and tons of storage inside your bedroom area. Lots of options there. This one is also equipped with CPAP readiness, so if you have a CPAP machine, you can plug your CPAP in while you're sleeping. That's super nice. Coming back to the outside here, dry weight on this camper is going to be 6,500 pounds. It's a little bit heavier, but it's built sturdy. Coming out here, you've got a giant pass-through storage up front, big enough to fit 2 Costco banquet tables in it, so that's nice. Gives you a lot of options as far as storing your stuff, so you don't have to keep everything inside the camper. One of my favorite features on this one, the automatic hitch jack up front, as well as automatic leveling jacks, all electric. Makes it super easy, super convenient. All of our campers do come equipped with full propane tanks if you guys buy from us. This one is equipped for solar. It doesn't currently have solar on it, but we do have that option, so we can add that in for you guys. Best thing about these campers right now with Midway Auto and RV is going to be your price point. So this is a $63,000 camper, folks, but we need to get rid of them. We want to move them out. We got to make room for the new inventory. We're throwing a $16,500 discount on this camper. You can buy a $63,000 camper for $46,000, so that's pretty awesome.